I'm going to show you how to catch a main color stitch. We have our run of our contrast color and we want to catch this white yarn, which is our main color. So go ahead and knit up into the point that you'd like to catch. Then where you want to catch, insert as if to knit, wrap your needle with your main color, wrap it with your contrast color, and then unwrap with your main color and knit with that contrast color. So knit up until where you'd like to catch, insert as if to knit, wrap with your main color, wrap with your contrast, unwrap with your main, and knit with that contrast. And in that way, you will trap your float on the back of your knitting so that it looks like that.